Welcome. Let's explore one of the key features designed to streamline your entire creative process. Now, let's move to one of the most powerful features for creators, the prompt library. This is the prompt library, your central hub for high-quality pre-built prompts. It's designed to inspire your next creation and save you time. On the left, you have a list of curated prompts, and on the right, you can view the details of any selected prompt. Let's take a look. When you select a prompt, like the pre-prompt generator, its full content appears. You can see its purpose and scroll through the entire prompt text to see how it's structured. When you're ready to use it, just click the Copy Prompt button at the bottom. The prompt is instantly copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. The library is filled with a variety of prompts to suit different needs. You can find a system prompt generator, meta prompts for creating outlines and character profiles, and even a comprehensive manuscript evaluation prompt. Each one is crafted to give you a professional starting point. You can easily switch between prompts to find the perfect one for your specific task. The prompt library is a valuable resource to help you get started quickly and unlock your creativity. Explore the library, find the perfect starting point, and accelerate your workflow.